No chains, no borders, only sky. Leather wings, I soar and fly. Desert winds call my name. Every road I take a burning flame. Boundless roads I ride alone. Skeleton heart, my spirit's throne. Freedom sings in the midnight air. No fear, no rules, nothing to care. Mountains fall and rivers bend. Every sunset is not the end. Shadows chase, but I'm too fast. Outlaw soul, the die is cast. Boundless roads I ride alone. Skeleton heart, my spirit's throne. Freedom sings in the midnight air. No fear, no rules, nothing to care. Stars above guide my way. Rebel spirit, night and day. Every mile of life reclaim. Every heartbeat boundless roads I ride alone. Skeleton heart, my spirit's throne. Freedom sings in the midnight air. No fear, no rules, nothing to care. Twilight fades, dawn awakes, but the outlaw spirit never breaks. Skeleton shadows fade in sand. I ride forever, free and unplanned. Engines roar, dust in the air, leather wings, I don't care. No lock and hold, no chain can stay. I burn the night, I make my way. Wild bones, hearts untamed, skeleton souls never change. Freedom screams through the midnight sky. I ride or die, no compromise. Mountains quake, shadows will fade. I'm the night path I'm in. Skeleton whispers, wind in my head. Forever wild, I don't care. Dusty roads under a silver moon, leather and chains, I'm leaving soon. Shadows whisper my forbidden name, chasing freedom in a lawless game. I ride with a skeleton eye. No chains, no fear, only pale moonlight. Outlaw heart on a road untamed, burning the past, nothing left to claim. Wheels keep turning, wind in my face. Ghosts of the desert, I leave no trace. Broken highways calling my soul. In the dark, I find my road. I ride with a skeleton eye. No chains, no fear, only pale moonlight. Outlaw heart on a road untamed, burning the past, nothing left to claim. Flames in my mind, fire in my veins, echoes of the lost singing my refrain. Every mile a story untold, every scar a memory of gold. I ride with a skeleton eye. No chains, no fear, only pale moonlight. Outlaw heart on a road untamed, burning the past, nothing left to claim. Dusty roads fade into dawn, but the outlaw spirit carries on. Skeletons dance, shadows sway. I ride forever, I'll never stay. footprints across the sand. Leather reins held in my hand. Winds of night whisper my name. I ride alone, no one to claim. Eternal ride through shadows light, skeleton heart, with freedom as my guide. No walls, no chains, no fear to face. I run the night. I own this space. Mountains crumble, rivers bend. Every road I take, no end. The stars above are my only crew. Desert skies painted in silver hue. Eternal ride through shadows wide, skeleton heart, with freedom as my guide. No walls, no chains, no fear to face. I run the night. I own this space. Dust and echoes, fire in my veins. In every mile a story remains. Rebel spirit, wild and free. The night belongs to only me. Eternal light through shadows wide, skeleton heart, with freedom as my guide. No walls, no chains, no fear to face. I run the night. I own this space. Heart will break, but I won't fall. I am the night. I am it all. Skeleton shadows fade behind. I ride forever, untamed line. Moonlight strikes the empty road. Leather wings, heavy load. Whispers follow desert by outlaw sound. Shadow riders under silver skies, skeleton hearts, fire in our eyes. Outlaw spirits running wild and free. Desert river winds carry our legacy. Sunrise breaks, yet the outlaw soul awakes. Skeleton shadows in the sand, we ride forever hand in hand. Shadow riders under silver skies, skeleton hearts, fire in our eyes. Outlaw spirits running wild and free. Desert winds carry our legacy. Riding fast through the burning sand, leather reins, fire in my hand. No law, no king, no master's call. I own the night, I fear no fall. Rebel shadows, hearts untamed, skeleton souls, never chained. Freedom roars in the midnight air. I'm alive, I don't play fair. Dust and echoes mark my track. Turn around, there's no looking back. Chains of yesterday can't bind the fire of my restless mind. Rebel shadows, hearts untamed, skeleton souls, never chained. Freedom roars in the midnight air. I'm alive, I don't play fair. I break the chains, skeleton whispers guide my flight. I'm forever wild, untamed by night. Rebel shadows, hearts untamed, skeleton souls, never chained. Freedom roars in the midnight air. I'm alive, I don't play fair. midst of the dying highways, in the cracks between law and madness, there's a brotherhood they whisper about, not bound by blood, but by fire. They call us the Hell Track Riders Union. Engines thunder like a war drum beat, black boots hitting down the heat-scarred street, chrome fangs gleam in the sinking sun. Outlaws gather when the day is done, leather stitched with the stories of pain, road maps inked in a hurricane's vein. We ride the places where the brave don't tread, between the living and the restless dead. Nightfall crowns us, burning bright. We rule the dark, we own the night. We are Hell Track Riders Union, born of desert fire and revolution, rolling through the smoke where the wicked kneel. Mercy burns beneath the turning wheel. Yeah, Hell Track Riders Union, chasing down the truth no saint could seal. If the devil calls, we cut the deal, 'cause we ride a path no law can heal. Shots ring out from a canyon's bend, but steel hard riders never break or bend. Dust storms rise like a funeral veil, but we push through, we don't know how to fail. Gasoline blood in our outlaw bones, ripping past borders and forgotten zones. Every mile's a battle, every breath a crime, but the Union stands until the end of time. Chains don't hold us, rules don't bind. We walk the edge of the twisted line. We are Hell Track Riders Union, forged in the fury of a world gone ruined, riding through the dark where the past won't die, fueling up on whiskey and a warrior's cry. Yeah, Hell Track Riders Union, brothers built from chrome and a ruthless will. When the night strikes cold, we climb the hill, 'cause the flame inside us burns still. Listen close, hear the engines pray. Every roar a promise will never fade away. Some seek heaven, some fear the end, but we chase shadows like an old lost friend. When the law grows quiet and the land grows mean, we rise like ghosts in the space between. a hell track. Every rider's story burns, but the Union rides forever. Shadows stretch across the sand, leather boots the open land. Moonlight guides where no one dares. I chase the wind, I climb the stairs. Riders of the night, hearts untamed, skeleton souls never named. Freedom burns in every stride, no fear remains, the road is wide. Silent echoes call my name. Every mile burning flame. Chains of past can't hold me here. I ride the night without a fear. Riders of the night, hearts untamed, skeleton souls never named. Freedom burns in every stride, no fear remains, Winds of liberty carry me high, skeleton heart chasing the sky. No chains to bind, no fear to fight. Freedom burns in the darkest night. Stars above and dust below, every road where the free souls go. No law, no limit, no master's hand. I am the outlaw of this land. Winds of liberty